Fun tips and tricks for saying no. First, let me preface by saying you should never explain your no. I'm going to repeat this several times throughout the course because we tend to have a knee-jerk reaction of doing so. No, I can't, we fluster, and then we just, instead of going through all that awkwardness, we just say yes. But remember, others realize they've been taking advantage of your good nature. When a known taskmaster approaches, again, act as though you don't see them, you don't hear them. Give them 0% of your attention. Do not look their way. They are merely exercising muscle memory when dropping another request. You could be the bigger person by ignoring their fumble. After all, they know this day was coming. Wow. You could say no by saying nothing and ignoring the situation. This is something you will actually be doing later as you grow comfortable with your no. Let's consider how to say no, all while giving the asker 0% of your attention. This is very important. Don't validate their ask by giving them your attention. Don't give them the stage. Ignore it. It has no importance whatsoever, and you know it. You've been there before. It's the delivery that makes this effortless. For example, shaking your head. This is done by moving your head from left to right. I couldn't help myself. I hope it made you laugh. But seriously, the simple gesture of shaking your head no. Not fast, just slowly, like, no. Slow, calm, cool, and collected. And in fact, anytime you do use verbiage, speak, shake your head no while you're talking to someone asking you to do something. But don't look at them. Fun tips and tricks for saying no. This is a simple script that I've laid out for you to crush the no. How to just say no. It's really this simple. No, not this time. Nope, can't. No, give someone else a chance. No, I'm overscheduled. No, gonna take a pass this time. No, I can't. No, I'm swamped. No, I have other obligations. There's so many ways to say no. Write them down yourself. The reason I have scripts is because until you reacquaint yourself with this very much needed habit, you're going to need support. So just having these things written down on cue cards or, little notes, post-it notes or whatever, it will empower you to do so, to say no. Body language. The body language of no. It's huge. Body language speaks volumes. Use body language. As in the image here, the hand up in the air is the universal sign for stop. You don't have to have it in front of you. It can be out to the side. And while you're doing this, shake your head no, slowly adding a soft, long no, 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 no. All while focusing on something other than the person asking you to do something. Again, no eye contact. The hand in the air no is like I'm in the middle of doing something. Wait gesture. This alone puts the spotlight on them. And they're like, wait a minute, what's going on here? This is something different. This will catch them off guard. Also, how about point to the watch and shake your head no? I understand most people don't wear an actual watch anymore, but the sign is still universal. People know what that means. Don't look at the person. You may just raise your wrist and point to the area where a watch, the significant place for a watch. I don't have the time. This is another way you do not have to say a word. The key to using your body language is to pretend, even if you're not, that you're busy, engrossed, involved in something else. You don't even have the time right now to look at them. The first time, they'll think, oh wow, they're really busy now. I guess I can't get a yes from them. But in time, when you continue to do it, they're going to realize, okay, the no, the firm no is here. It's a reality now. If you're really confident, just give them the thumbs down. You don't even have to be confident to do it, really. It's just a gesture. And it's very common these days. All the emojis, thumbs up, thumbs down. Just no, thumbs down, a physical thumbs down. Whenever a taskmaster approaches you, again, don't look at them, even if you're not busy, or perhaps you're engaged in a conversation. Keep talking to that person and make it important. Make it more important. You're doing something important. Value your time enough to realize you can't give it away. Again, body language. The gesture, this man's face, he's like, no. Know what you want. Same as usual, and the answer is a big fat thumbs down. Shh. Offer the shh sign. The universal gesture for quiet, please. You're interrupting. Remain focused on anything but the asker. This is a clear sign they're intruding on something more important. Now, as you review these and think about it, I'm sure you can come up with a lot of other body language and gestures to crush your no, to get the point across without saying anything at all. And if you do, just say no. And remember, always shake your head. Even when you're doing the shh, shake your head. Hand in the air, shake your head. Thumbs down, shake your head. Finger to the wrist, shake your head. Always, always, always shake your head no. And in time, that's all you will need to do to get your point across with zero effort, conflict, or stress.